Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. Hey, we are moving along with reading about characters, and I found some Piggy and Dad books. So these are shorter books that maybe your teacher has copies of that you could read, or you could find some shorter books like this. Um, and I think they kind of fit a similar pattern that we see that happens with Piggy and Dad. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of pay attention to how books can kind of follow a pattern, and we're going to predict what we think will happen in the book. So I know that we listened to Piggy and Dad go fishing yesterday. And so I know that Piggy and Dad like to have fun together. And when they go together, sometimes things don't turn out the way we think they will. Like we have surprises in the story. So I'm thinking today that that could happen. So at the beginning, we're going to listen to this book and we're going to do a little predicting. So this is going to be Piggy and Dad play. And I want you to think about what they could play and what could happen that's surprising. And then we're going to listen to a second Piggy and Dad story. Here we go.
Piggy and Dad Play. Candlewick Press by David Merton. Illustrated by Frank Runklix. Play ball. Piggy throws the ball. Dad catches it. Dad throws the ball. Piggy catches it. Piggy kicks the ball. Dad catches it. Dad kicks the ball. Crash!
Okay, boys and girls, that's how our story ended. So you saw that Piggy and Dad were playing. So if I put together what we've been learning, I know that my story is about Piggy, right? And Piggy spending time with Dad, having fun. And they're going to play ball. So first they play ball. Next they play catch. Next Dad catches it, kicks it. And last, Dad breaks a window, doesn't he? So what we're going to do is we're going to listen to another story, a Piggy and Dad story, and we're going to do a little predicting first. So I'm going to skip ahead to where that story is. There's a couple of Piggy stories on this. And there's one at the end I think might be kind of fun. Oops, let me get to the right spot a minute here. Okay, so this one is called Sledding. And so what do you think could happen when Piggy and Dad go sledding? Let's make a prediction. You say what your guess is. Okay, I have not listened to the story, so I'm really going to guess. I'm going to guess that their sleds go really fast down the hill and then they can't stop and then they hit something or go through the ice. That's my prediction. All right, so let's see what happens with Piggy and Dad.
Piggy goes up the hill. Dad goes up the hill. Piggy slides down the hill. Dad slides down the hill. Piggy hits a bump. Piggy flies. Dad hits a bump. Dad does not just go right through the hill, right?
All right, there's our reader, boys and girls. That's fun. So, when Piggy got stuck, Dad got stuck, right? That was kind of a surprise ending. And I thought maybe they would go so fast down the hill they couldn't stop, but actually Dad got stuck. So that's a fun ending. So boys and girls, if I'm going to think about how my story happened, first Piggy and Dad went sledding. Next, Piggy hit a bump and Piggy flew. Last, Dad hit the bump and Dad got stuck in the snow. So, what we're going to do today, boys and girls, is work on predicting what our stories are about. Maybe you've been reading a set of books like Piggy books or some other type of books. And I want you to think about, what do you already know about what usually happens to those characters? And how can you use that to predict what will happen next? So I kind of know funny things happen to Dad in these stories. And so I can use that to predict what happens to in the next story we read, right? All right. Enjoy your reading today, boys and girls. Good luck predicting.